this lesson, we will learn how to make a normal video footage into a modern cinematic clips in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. So let's take a look how to make a simple or a normal video clip turn into a cinematic video clip. So there is different type of option, and let me show you this option. Here is some video clips in our project panel, and I want to add this video clip to our project panel, and I don't need to use this all, just for showing you. Here is the video clips. So I will add a black bar in top and in bottom. So that's why I have to create an adjustment layer. To create the adjustment layer, you have to select this new item, and there you will get adjustment layer option. So here is the adjustment layer settings. I'm selecting OK, and here is the adjustment layer, and I want to add this adjustment layer in our video track toolbar, and I want to make the length of adjustment layer with our video clips. And now we will add an effect. So let me select the effect option, and here is, I want to use crop effect. Here is the crop effect, and let me add to our video clip. And now we will create a black bar on top and in bottom in this video clip, so it will look like a cinematic. So I'm selecting this video clip, and I have to select effect control option, and in effect control option you will get the crop option in here. So let's crop a little in top. So let me crop in here, and you can take a look. A bar is just added, and let me set it in 10%. I'm selecting in 10% in top, and in bottom I want to put 10% as well. So now you can take a look. Now it looks like a cinematic view in this video clip. So this is how you will add crop effect in your video clip and create a cinematic black bar in your video clip by using Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. So let me play this video clip after adding this black cinematic bar in this video clip, and I'm playing from your program monitor, and you can take a look. It looks like a cinematic view. So this is how you use the crop effect and make a video clip like a cinematic. And now I will show you another method that how we'll create a cinematic look with using of overlay. So let me remove this video clip from here, and I want to add some more video clips, and I will create a different cinematic video in a different cinematic method. So here is a beach walking video in our project panel, and I want to take some different clip from here, and I will create a video by using this mark in and mark out option. And it's a long video clip, and I don't want to use this all. So I want to take it a small part from here to till here. Okay. I'm selecting here. This is our mark in, and this is our mark out option, and here is the insert option. So I am inserting this clip to our timeline, and here is the option, and then I will select as second portion from here. This is the different sequence, and let me select the marking option in here, and let me select the markout option in here. So I'm selecting this markout option in here, and I want to insert this clip in our footage too. And let's select some different sequence, and I'm taking our third sequence from here, and I want to end this footage in here. So let me insert the clips. So here is 3 different clips from a single footage, and now we will make some cinematic look in these clips. So let's take a look how to make some cinematic looks in these clips. At first we have to scale it with our frame size. So I'm scaling with my sequence frame size. Now you can take a look. It's really looking beautiful, and let me scale it the second and third clips to fit with our frame size. This is the second part, and now I have to scale my third clip with our frame size. So I'm scaling it. So now 3 of clips are scaled with our frame size, and now we will use some different video clip when the first video clip is gonna finish and the second video clip's going to end. We will add some video effect in here, and I want to add some firework. So let me add this fire clip in our title video track toolbar, and let me zoom this video clip, and I don't want to put this entire fireplace, just I want to make a small part when the first video clip is going to end and the second video clip is going to start. So I'm putting my fire clips in between 2 clips, and when I'm putting my mouse cursor or my timeline indicator in these clips, it's showing the video track 2 clips, and we don't want to put the video but 2 clips in here, and we want to make an overlay with this clip. So we have to select this video clip, and then in effect control we will get some option under opacity mode, and here is the blend mode, and from here I am selecting overlay. So you can take a look, a overlay is added, and let me play this video clip to show you before and after. So let me play this video clip from here. I'm playing from here, and it's really look like a cinematic move. You just seen when the first video clip is going to end and the second video clip is going to start, a fireworks is applying between these 2 clips. So let me play it again. So this is the way how you will add some cinematic motion or cinematic effect in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. So let me show you another way or another footage I want to add in between this second and third clip. Let me add to our in between second and third clip. It's a bubble clip, and I want to use this clip when the second and third clip gonna move to each other, and I have to select blend mode under opacity, and I have to select overlay. and this looks very awesome. So let me play after adding this bubble view video clip in our video track tour, so how it's look like. So I'm playing from here. So now it's look very attractive, and this is how you will create a cinematic mood, or this is how you will create a normal video clip turn into a cinematic move in Adobe Premiere Pro Creative Cloud. Thank you.